Hello, I am Mike Kibler of Kibler's Typewriter Company, and this is an advertisement for an L.C. Smith No. 8 typewriter available on my site. This machine was made in the 1910s, approximately. I couldn't find a serial number on it, and right now it's in beautiful condition. When I found it, it was in fairly bad shape, so I had to do a full restoration on it. And like usual, I'm just going to read you off decals really quickly. But before I do so, I'm just going to note really quickly that the decal on the front base right here, the reason why it's so faded and scratched is because someone painted over them before I got the typewriter. I had to carefully reveal them with sandpaper. You can see most of them. L.C. Smith & Brothers Typewriter No. 8, and that down there says made in someplace, New York, USA. So, but some of them are a little blurry, but I mean, it's old decals and faded decals are better than no decals. That's what I say. The one on the paper table is L.C. Smith & Brothers. We have that nice decal there. It says L.C. Smith & Brothers Typewriter. Writing inside it has 3 horses there. It's pretty cool. And then there's one in the back, and it's the usual patent protection. It says this machine is protected by U.S. and foreign patents. I also recently replaced the feet, and if you buy this typewriter, the feet are not attached to the typewriter when you get it, because I don't want them getting damaged because they're big. So I'm just going to show you how to carefully put a foot in. See the foot right here? You just carefully slide it in. So you have to squeeze a little because you want a nice tight fit all the way. Do that basically for all 4 feet, and it'll be as right as rain. So yeah, that's the features include for this machine: automatic ribbon reverse right here, 2-color ribbon, brand new by the way. And stencil mode down here. This is the ribbon key, and now this ribbon key you have to push down and over. There are 3 different slots in here. So the top one's black, middle one is stencil, and bottom one is red, or whatever your other color you can find. Has glass keys and a standard QWERTY keyboard. Now I like glass keys because they offer the smoothest typing, for the smoothest feel for your fingers, and that's good because you want to be able to concentrate on writing poems and novels or whatever you do on a typewriter. Martin set and release. Oh, and there was the bell. Automatic tabulating system, and that also is in the back. And yeah, that's about it for the features. It's a pretty basic typewriter, but it's really good, and it's a really nice conversation piece. However, I do not recommend this machine for heavy-duty typing because there's some issues with the rollers, and they work, and as you can see, I got some paper in up there, but it's very hard to get in. You can sit down and type a letter on this, but I don't recommend it for like businesses that you type a couple, couple pages a day on it. That would be good. But like if you type novels on it at a time, you're probably going to blow out your typewriter. But it's a great conversation piece. It's a great antique. I think it's beautiful. I waxed it, polished it, I mean, it's a nice typewriter. It was a pain, though. It was a very painful experience to get to where it is today. But I did it. I just finished this restoration up today, actually. And it's just beautiful. I mean, it would be a great add to your collection or to your home, to your workplace. It just has this atmosphere around it that it's old, but it can get things done, and that's what I like about it. So yeah, I'm going to do a quick typing test to show you its functionality, and the typing test will be: the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, which uses every letter of the alphabet to ensure that all the keys, all the type bars are working. Alright, so here we go. Oh, by the way, see, it has basket ship. And I'm going to let you see what I wrote. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. I know it's not very good quality camera, but it works. This machine is available on my site for $185 plus shipping. This is for a beautiful typewriter. It's well worth the price. Contact me to purchase or use PayPal, which will be added shortly to my site. If you have any questions, just contact me. I mean, you can contact me through either YouTube or my site. Either way, it doesn't matter. This has been a production of Kipper's Typewriter Company. I will be making more advertisements pretty soon. So until then, see you later.